here we are at the 2019 San Diego Bimrs convention. It has become a great avenue to meet our sponsors and to talk to our community. So let's go check out our sponsors right now.
Great products to help
Oh, they're solid. I see. Carlos here at the 2019 San Diego Bimrs event. Here I got a good friend, Marco, with BMW. Hey, Marco. Hey, give us a little update of what BMW doing to our industry, and especially the independent shop.
Absolutely. Thank you. Appreciate you guys having us here. And a couple things that I think are the most relevant for independent repair facilities are going to be our IRF rewards program that we're offering 10% back on mechanical, wear, and windshield parts that you buy and purchase 10% year-over-year growth from your BMW dealer. And we're doing that in an effort to increase the relationship and help support the independent repair facility. The other thing that a lot of people don't realize we're offering is an IRF vehicle purchase incentive, where we give anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 off of a brand new vehicle purchase. And this is good for any independent repair facility that's registered through the rewards program, as well as any employee of an independent repair facility that's registered through the rewards program. So if you're a shop foreman or a technician and you're a BMW enthusiast, we wanted to put a program out there to say thank you for doing business with us. And these are some of the things that we're putting together that we've done for 2019, and we look forward to a great 2020 with you guys and hope to build a relationship.
Marco, we couldn't do it without you guys. You guys are really part of the heartbeat of what we independent shops really work for.
It's great to see the enthusiasm. I love meeting with all the different independent repair facilities. It brings me back to a lot of my roots, having spent a lot of my childhood in an independent repair facility, and seeing all the guys and the family members, where you have the family-owned ones and people who are really hard BMW enthusiasts. I love seeing it. We'll see you guys next year.
Thank you.
out in step. You can see exactly how the circuit works. You can see what's wrong with it.
When you have something right in front of you, it's just so much easier to understand when you're putting these circuit boards together and then learning between a parallel and running something in series.
Took the gasoline direct injector class, Mr. Gary. I learned a lot about how to diagnose without having any trouble codes, and a lot of problems having to do with fuel economy.